Hello, my name is Muhammad Syaiful. Today I be opening a packet that went viral a few days ago. I purchased this for 100,000. Okay, this a product arrived quite quickly. Judging from the price, quite affordable, and the packaging is quite arrived and the tear or no defect. On the outside, always be inclusive. Is it possible that you recover about this contact? Let's open and waiting on the long time. Uh, uh, this is a t-shirt and color brown that's oversized and has a size XXL. T-shirt is suitable for use at any time and anywhere. The material is the cool and elastic. Like waist, the material is soft and upper sweet. The point take well. Alright, let's try, guys. Yes, this is a setting used to combine it with the oversized t-shirt just a brown. Please share your truck and you. Thank you.